Hey, what's up, everyone? DayTraderRockStar here with you with a very special little video testing out some new software today, kind of giving it kind of an interactive feel. So, want to discuss the open house that we have always running here at Day Trading Radio to give people a look on the inside. Behind me, this is the page here. I don't know if you can actually see how this has come. I apologize if my head keeps on disappearing here. Again, testing this stuff out here, but as you can see, this is the Day Trading Radio website, and when it says up here, there's my head disappearing, but it says learn how to trade with hundreds of traders every day. Now, I could go into an hour video talking about Day Trading Radio and all the benefits and stuff. I'm going to give you a little walkthrough of it, but the important thing is making money in the markets. And I did an iconic video back in 2007. I did a video when I was trading down in Florida, talking about all these books, and I threw these books away. I had tons of books that I was learning trading when I started off the craft of trading back in '92 to '96 is where my kind of learned, before I really started going live and going live, but actually trading full time. And I quit my job. But after years of doing that, I realized that all these books, they were regurgitated things from years ago, and a lot of those things don't apply to today. This market is a different market. Everything is different. There's computers running this market, algorithms, black boxes. We're really against something that's very complex, and if you think you're going to beat that, these are $1 million machines that are running, trading this market, and they know, and they're able to seek out your stop orders, to seek out your buy orders, and know exactly what's going on. Very hard to trade this market, but after years and years of trading, I've kind of realized, there's certain areas in the market where we have to concentrate ourselves on. If we're going to be able to make money, just like any profession, we have to be the best at what we do, and there's usually a direct line between the path. There's always the right way of doing things and the wrong way of doing things, and that right way of doing things should have a percentage of success rate that's higher than the other times, and that's the important thing that I concentrate on. So what I try to teach here are a methodology that has been proven over time to work more than other markets, and this is really about the everyday market and adapting this. This is not writing something in a book, retiring, and letting that book sell 20 years later when these techniques don't work anymore. Most of those techniques don't work. Head and shoulders patterns, a lot of these things that you hear that are, they can get blown out. There's so much news out there these days that it's just it's really a crapshoot when you come to what's going on. So let's go into this thing. We have a great dashboard. We have tons of traders that trade with us every day, and we specialize in just a couple setups, and those setups are so good that I am about to launch a alert system that's going to alert us overnight. Believe it or not, it's going to alert us overnight. I'll probably start this. It'll probably trade. It trades during the day. It alerts us live on the show. And then I continue to run, but I've noticed that the hours between when we open up in the futures at 6 o'clock until about about 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock when the Asian markets start to open up, we usually get some activity depending on how that plays out. But the real activity starts around 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock to 3:30 when European markets open, we'll start to see that move happen. And I should be showing you some things in the background here while I show you that. I'll actually show you that in a second here. Maybe I could show that fast. Again, anytime you want to look at the market, it depends on where you live. If you live in a place where like I do in New York here, at 3 o'clock in the morning, it's very hard for me to get up. First of all, I need to sleep at one point. So we trade here. You can see the 9 o'clock, the Japanese news coming out the market here, popping on that, and then certain things here playing out. And I always go back there in the morning hours. That's actually in the evening. That was a great setup here, by the way. There was a nice divergence. This is something we want to pay attention to because these levels give us multiple trade opportunities even at night. So that's why I'm about to launch the new bot channel here at Day Trading Radio. And you get to try that out. You get to try that out as a trial user. Now, this whole video is about the trial that is always running here. 10-day special trial, no credit card needed. Just sign up. I'll show you how to do that. And we look for these setups. Here's a perfect divergence back here during the day. And, you know, if we could actually concentrate on getting 2 to 3 good setups, high probability, 90% success rate trades, I want to do that every single day and be alerted to that. All right, sorry about that interruption. But getting back to the overnight trade and launching the new alert system, we have alerts going throughout the whole day, but this is going to be very special. And as you can see, at 4 o'clock, there was a great setup here. 4 o'clock, right up there. You can see that fantastic setup, and that's something that we concentrate on. And when we see those setups, they give you tremendous moves. That's what I teach. I teach this after trading for 23 years full time. I've broken down trading down to maybe 3 setups that I like to trade, and I'll wait for those. And you know, and that's the hardest part, is waiting for those. It really is. It's not the easiest thing in the world to kind of go through the market like I'm doing right now and identify those levels. And those levels, when they do come out, here's one right here. This is a perfect, absolutely perfect divergence that came out 11:20, and look at the move after that. That is huge, huge. So you know, that's now my passion is about that. Things have really taken off. There's a lot of traders here that have embraced the methodology and trade along with us every day, and it's really great. So come by Day Trading Radio. Go to the website like I was showing you before. That's DayTraderRadio.com. Scroll down. You'll see a 10-day special offer here. Click on that. It'll bring you to another, bring you right to the sign-in page. Put in your username, your email. No credit card is needed, a password, and send it in, and you'll get an email back basically telling you. And you get all this stuff. You get to try out the Trader Dashboard, which is absolutely fantastic. This is what the Trader Dashboard looks like right here. Oops, that's a pretty big rendition of it, but has the alerts and stuff. The squawk, all the education, the live trading. What else do we have here? Let me get this over here. Oh, I lost my mouse now. All right, the high probability setups, which is all the research that goes out. That's all the research that goes out. If we look at the high probability setups, that site is a separate site altogether, but you get it included as a Day Trading Radio member. It sets up all the stocks for the next week. Every Friday, the watch list goes out and identifies all the stocks we're going to be trading. It identifies you when the triggers are hit, the stops are hit, and the profit targets are hit. Everything is identified for you. Green represents a trigger of an entry. If it's a short, if it's a short, it'll say short. If it's a long, it'll be L. Gold represents its target being hit. Waiting means it hasn't triggered yet. A red means its stop has been hit. Each one of those comes with an individual chart, and that chart here identifies the level, and the whole thing comes along with the video. So this is all included with, and if you're not on the computer during the day, you could just apply all your stuff to Day Trading Radio, and you'll get those alerts. So we're going to actually have a new one here. It's going to be the bot alerts. And like I said, between 3 o'clock and 7 o'clock, I want to be alerted to my best script. I want to be able to get up and make a fast $150 and go right back to sleep. And that's what we're going to be able to do. So that's another benefit coming to Day Trading Radio. So a lot of good stuff. I'm super excited about everything. And that's, again, the trading rooms are very important. We have tons of traders in our rooms going back and forth with a lot of information. People, trading and posting their live trades. Remember, a lot of benefit, commercial-free trading, all my trade alerts, the tradeometer, which you get automatically also. And to test that out as a member, and that gives you great buy and sell signals. This is all included with a Day Trading Radio membership. So definitely come on by, check out the open house. I think you're going to love it. I broadcast every single day live on Day Trading Radio, live, like you see me right now. So if there's a chart up in the air, a chart, there might be a chart that we're trading right here, and I'll be like describing exactly why we're buying at this level, what the level we're going at, and you'll see the trades taking place. It's a good time. So hope to see you here. I'm DayTraderRockStar for DayTradingRadio.com, and we'll see you in the markets.